Okay. Are you ready? So what is this? Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Do you think pen can change the world? Very good, very good. Okay, shall we start the game now? So the game is about what? You should not answer in yes or no words, right? You can use other sentences. You can use other phrases. You can use other words, but you should not use yes or no. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, shall we start the game? Okay. Okay, you're looking so weird today.
No.
Okay, come. Is it serious? Where are you from?
My from Samputan.
You're from?
Samputan.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Narad.
Okay, you live in Dharwad. Okay. So, are you happy?
I am happy.
Okay. Where are your parents?
My parents live in Samputan.
Very good. They live in Sompurna. Okay, give the mic to Ravi. Okay, Ravi Chandra, how about you?
I am fine.
Are you preparing for UGC net?
I am preparing for the teacher job.
You are preparing for teacher's job. Do you visit to Srinagar?
Of course, I visit.
Okay. Very good, very good. So, what is this?
This is chain.
Okay. Chain. But it is looking like silver chain.
Nothing
Isn't
like
it?
that. It is.
Isn't it?
It is.
Isn't
iron.
it?
It is iron.
Okay, is it made of iron?
Iron.
What is that?
That is. This is pen.
Okay, okay. Do you think pen can change the world? Do you think? Do you think pen can change world?
Everyone thinks that.
Everyone?
Everyone thinks.
Everyone thinks
that.
Everyone thinks that?
It is change the world.
Yes or no?
Sure.
Okay. Very good, very good. Okay. Are you happy?
I am happy.
Okay, you are happy. But you look so weird today. You look so weird. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it?
False. No.
It's a false statement. Very good, very good. Okay. You said you are from Sompurtanda, right?
True.
Very good. Okay, true. And your brother-in-law, his name is Ravichandra, right? He works as a teacher, right? Where does he work?
Works in Shankar Nagar campus.
Nagar campus. And your sister? She also?
She also works.
Okay, she's intelligent, right?
Yes.
Okay, well done. Ravichandra won the match, won the game. Okay, clap
Thank
for
you.
Ravichandra.
Thank you.
Okay.